chicka, 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 choo, choo, choo. Bucka, bucka, bubba, bam. What's up, guys? It's Constantine. Hello. Harley, say hi to your fans. Hey, guys. My name is Harley. Hi. I miss y'all. Yeah, guys. What's up, man? It's Constantine, man. And my little dog, Harley. Harley, I don't know why I haven't been videoing him because, he's with my sister right now, you know, so she's taking care of Harley because I got like in 2 weeks I'll be done, you know, with my fucking exam and shit, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, me and Harley, we're out in the backyard, you know, living the life in Iowa, man, you know. Yeah, I live by I'm at my parents' house and shit, you know what I'm saying? Me and Harley, ooh yeah. What else I've been up to is that I don't know, we're having a fucking huge party, you know, like I think next week, you know, for my sister. I don't fucking know, man. I don't know. But this summer, I'm gonna be so busy. I told you guys already, but I gotta travel all around the United States and stuff, you know. I need to go talk to people, meet up with people. I don't fucking know. I gotta do something. It's like for, fuck, what is it? Like, I don't know. It's like for this huge project that my college professor, like, he asked me, you know. I'm like, what the fuck? You know, because, I don't know, because I might go to, I don't know, college. I don't know. Maybe stay at the same college? I don't fucking know. Yeah, so, me and Harley's here. He's gonna be with me for a while, but he gotta go back, you know, and, so it's gonna be Harley video for, like, I don't know. Fuck yeah, man. Harley. So, yeah. You know, my sister, she bought a new house. I should, like, when I go up there, I'm gonna visit her. I should, like, make a fucking video tour of the house, you know. But you guys want to see my, I don't fucking know, man. So, yeah, you guys enjoyed my video. Subscribe, thumbs up, Harley. I'm going to be on Tiny Chat with me and Harley. Yeah. Alright, guys. Peace. Yeah, Harley, peace.